Hi, today is Saturday, June 11, 2022, Saturday afternoon.
And this dude has glasses.
Yeah, we are at the Great Neck Park, North Great Neck. Forgot what's the name of the park.
Eyes.
I'm entering the Rose Garden. I've never been in here before. Wow, it's a small, nice little small garden.
His initials are WC. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'll stop it. Sounds of panic.
Look, here's a little rose. So this is what a rose garden is. Oh wow,
Tiny.
look at that. Look, you can even just try to zoom in. Whoa, look at that. What's in that? What's in there? A bee?
Yeah, that's a bee.
No, it's an ant.
True, that could be an ant.
Yeah, it's kind of shaky because I don't have my DJI with me. So I'm just doing a handheld right now. So that's the rose. This is, I don't know, I'm not too familiar with roses. So I'll just call these pink roses. And this is the rose bush. Let me see. And this, what type of rose is this?
It's like a white rose.
It's a white rose? Oh, there's a lot
It's
of
like
ants
a
on
white
this one.
pinkish- It's like a hot pink rose.
Hot pink rose.
Yeah.
A lot of bugs here. Okay, let me see the other side.
And then this is where the trail really starts.
Okay. And here's some white roses.
And some even more hot pink roses.
These are like hot pink roses. Any bugs on this one? Wow, it's pretty clear. Look at that.
You can't really see the bugs because it's like all curled up.
Oh. Oh, this one is just blooming. Look at this one. Interesting. Alright, let's continue walking.
And then this is where the trail starts.
Okay, this is where the trail starts.
Yes.
Alright.
A trail of roses. There's some flowers here, there, everywhere.
So what type of flower is this? This is like another pink. Is this a rose or carnation? This is a rose?
It looks more like a carnation.
I don't know. It says it's a rose garden.
Yeah, it's probably a rose then. There's a rose garden.
Yeah.
I guess all of these in here are roses, so.
What are these? These are not roses. These are definitely not roses, right? These are just white flowers. I don't know what they're called.
They're probably Mary flowers.
Married flowers? What does that mean?
Actually, I don't know what they are. But there is
That's
some flowers.
interesting. Oh wait, look. There's like a flower over here. Oh wait, this is a rose. Right here, because roses has thorns on the branches, you see? You see these thorns? Look, the
Also,
thorns
there's bees around, so we should leave.
are up all the way over here, look.
Dude, we should leave before we get stung, honestly.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, I see the bee. This bee? You talking about this bee?
Yeah.
This bee. It's okay. Look,
I don't think he liked you.
don't worry. Bees are friendly. Without bees, there won't be any honey. And then if there's no honey, you won't have any sweet things to eat. So here's another one. What are these? These are yellow, peach flower, peach. This is a peach rose, right?
Stay on the trail. Stay on the trail. Stay on the trail. Oh, I want to leave.
Wow, look at that. Alright, let's move on to the next.
I kind of want to leave.
We're almost done.
Look, there's bees everywhere.
Don't worry, bees are harmless. There's so much pollens to eat over here, they won't care about you. What are these? These are definitely not. Are these roses too? Let me check out the thorns.
Yeah, they have thorns.
I see some thorns over here. Like these sharp, pointy things. But I don't think these are roses. I never see roses don't look like this, right? I don't know. I am just not knowledgeable enough to know what these flowers are. So here is a bush. I mean, here's a rose bush, I guess. And in this garden, there's only one other person with us in here. Luckily, it's free, and that's the reason why we came in. Alright, let's continue on. Oh, here's a sad, lonely one rose bush plant here in the middle of
Nowhere.
in the middle of nowhere by himself. Alright. Oh, look, this is interesting. Look at the way they cut this shape this bush. It looks like
it looks like a man.
It looks like
Man.
it looks like somebody's head.
I know.
Alright, oh look, here's another one. This looks like a Roblox figure. It's interesting. Roblox figures. Okay. More plants here. Let me see. Let's take a close up of this peach rose here. Huh. And this one is, I think this one it's just at the end of its lifeline. There's no petals left. Alright, so these have no petals left. Oh, here's another. Oh, this is a pretty one. Look at this.
May the 4th be with you.
Yeah, it is a pretty one. I hope somebody who loves roses will love this video. Because I'm really have no idea about these type of roses. Alright.
Update, I think there's actually 2 other people in here.
2 other people?
Not one other person.
Oh. And a memorial garden for Sue Whitehall Great Neck Garden Club. Oh, look at that. These are definitely not roses. That I know for sure. Oh, I could be wrong. I actually don't know. Hey, what are these over here? This is interesting. What are these things here? Alright, so we finished halfway. Let's take a look. Oh, look, these are the ripe red ones. Look, these are the ones that you give out like on Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah.
Like these are the traditional red roses.
Yeah, those are hot red roses.
Yeah?
Hot red.
Yeah, like this one. This one looked just like, you know, the Valentine's Day roses. So some are blooming and some are at its end of its life. So these are about to bloom. Hey, how about these? What species is this one? This one's pretty interesting. It has like white, it's like white petals with like pink dots on it. It looked like someone like splashed like pink color on it. And this one is dying. Look at this. Hey, come over here. Look at these. Oh wow, look at these pretty yellow ones. This one is bright yellow. I wonder what's in there. Are there nectars in there? Here's some nice red hot ones. Oh wow, look at these bright red ones. Look, it's just hanging off the bush. Let's zoom into one of them.
Hey, why is everything twitching?
Oh wow, look at that. You can actually like zoom into the close-up view of the pollens. Look. What's the inside parts called? Like the stems.
I believe...
Like you see inside the petal, inside the flower petal, there are like these
Yeah, I don't know.
stems of like pollen.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh look, this is the typical typical rose. It smells very rosy in here too. Alright, so this is the middle. There's so many different types of roses here. Oh, I didn't know that there are so many types. And I don't even know that some of them, they don't even look like roses to me. But I guess they are roses, since they're in this garden. Too bad I'm not that knowledgeable, so I'm not able to be a qualified commenter of what these type of species of roses are. Except that they look very pretty. And they smell very good in here. Alright. I am gonna go one last one, almost there. Another pink rose. And here's some more red ones. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, these are the ones that you see on Valentine's Day. Look at that. A whole rose on the bush. Alright, so this is gonna be near the end of my video. If you like this video or want to comment about the different type of roses you've seen in this video, please do so. Like, subscribe, share, comment below. And see you on the next video.